You can't just simply block a lot of these instructions, because we have seen clients, what they do is, like other competitors, what they do is they kind of do filters. There's a filter in between, before the AI layer, there's a filter after the AI layer, where you say like I'm looking for a nude shade, and then it kind of flags that word nude, and then it kind of cuts the whole outcome. So interestingly, we had done this system called Lumi for Lakme, wherein nude is like part of their whole business logic, right? You have to have nude shades of lipstick, you have to have nude shades of foundations. So that is like an essential word. You can't just kind of simply filter it out. So even in foundation models, there's like a lot of safety checks. So for us to take that use case live, we have to disable every elemental check within the foundation model, and it has to be fine-tuned with our own guardrails to ensure that model does not behave weirdly.